be able to do no shit like that. He done gave Funkytown $100. He said he finna let him get to the 60 foot and run. See, that's probably the mode he had on last time he ran. Look at Funkytown. Funkytown at the 60 foot. Look, he's still talking shit. Yeah. Ain't that what he said, right?
That's what he said, till the 60.
All right, we're gonna be right here. He said bet 100. He gonna let him get to the 60 foot.
Oh, that dude don't want us to stand down.
Oh, he don't? Oh, okay. Damn.
Oh, hey, I don't know how we can do that then. Look.
You wanna call it off or you wanna just see what it...
Well, you can't see.
So fuck it. You gonna call it off? Hey! Hey, they already got the lights on. We got it on.
He left before that 60 foot.
Yeah.
He left he left before that 60 foot.
Yeah.
He left before the 60 foot. Hey, the 60 foot, he left way before that. He left before the 60 foot.
He left, huh? This how I won. This how I won. This how I won.
Yeah, he did. He left way, didn't he, quit?
Yeah, it looked like it. That's what he told him.
No, he didn't still get to the 60 foot.
Huh?
What the car, man? Go get the car, man.
I can't beat that S10 truck out, God.
That nigga's front end was right there, bro. Man, you tripping, bro. Get down there, motherfucker. Boom, motherfucker. Hey, pay up. Pay up. Look out, you pushing, bro. Pay up. Pay up. Pay up.
He said,
He didn't go to the 60 foot, dog. His front tire was the 60 foot. No, the front tire. No, he didn't go to the 60 foot. You right there? Yeah, you know, yeah, he didn't go. Yeah, he lost.
Hey, you know what I do $100 on burn them, bro?
he said I burned that $100.
Yeah, he supposed to be going to the 60 foot. He lost.
We need a slow-mo cam. Where's Limpy when where's he at? We need Limpy to review the footage. Come on, man.
They said,
Is Limpy in the chat right now? Come on, man, Limpy.
damn. He be in there fighting that wheel. They folks took. Hey, miss, you on my YouTube channel? It's called Lookout Racing.
You have a card?
I think I got another card left. Oh, yeah, I do. Look at her. Yeah, small block or big block?
Huh?
You know about small block or big block?
No.
You got a 4-cylinder or a V6?
Huh?
You got a 4-cylinder or a V6?
Me?
Yeah.
I don't drive.
You don't got no car? Oh, okay, I thought you had a car. All right. Yeah, tell your uncle now. Tell your uncle that we up here. Gonna get a gas saver. They trying to run my they trying to run my what's that car called? They trying to run my caprice and that heavy and the heavy Chevy, huh? Nah, man, y'all want me to find somebody? Y'all need to run. I can't. Y'all give me the back time to hit. Y'all give me the back time to hit. I drove my car to the track. Y'all on a trailer can't give a street car with AC nothing. Y'all know my car 4,000 pounds. You can't give it nothing. You can't give it nothing. I'm finna find. Nah, let me just find somebody in y'all class. Get on y'all ass. I'll find somebody. Look at them in this light ass S10 with an LS motor in and want to race my 4,500 pound Chevy Caprice, man. Street car. I seen them on the highway and drove right past them. Showed them that my shit run hard. I showed them that my shit run hard. I showed them that motherfucker run hard. I passed their ass on the street. Had the AC bumping ice water, dripping every goddamn where. Yeah, I would have been knocking on their ass. Let me see if my boys back here, they might be ready for them right here. Hey, y'all want to run that S10? They trying to get me. I can't get them. Yeah, that's look like that'll get them right there. Get this, you, Ralph? Oh, this way? Okay. Hey, I ain't gonna let them see nothing. Hey, that S10 up there keep trying to race me. Y'all whoop his ass for me. They trying to run that heavy ass Caprice over there.